Hi there, my name is Cindy Druhard, and I am going to tell you a little bit about Zoom today. So when your child needs to join a Zoom session for their class, they can find a link to click on either in Clever, if in elementary school, in Seesaw, if they're in kindergarten through second grade, or if they are in 3rd through 12th grade, they should find the link in their Canvas. There is a button on the left side that says Zoom on the navigation bar. If they are asked to log into their Zoom account, they are going to go to this web address, albany-k12-or-us.zoom.us, and then scroll down till they see the Google button, and then click on that and be sure to choose their school email account. It's very important they use their school email account and they use that Google button. Once they connect, they're going to be put into a waiting room, and the teacher or an assistant will allow the student in. They just want to make sure that they're seeing who's joining the room. So that is the purpose of the waiting room. It's for safety reasons. Once they enter, their microphone is going to be turned off, and we ask students to keep that microphone off unless they need to share. It just really helps reduce background noise. But we do like cameras on. However, if your child needs to step away for a reason, or if there's some sort of distraction going on around them that might be disruptive to other students, they can click on Stop Video and then turn it back on when they're ready again. There is a chat feature in Zoom, and so the child would type their message down here. When it says everyone, that means that it's going to show up to everyone in their class. However, if they need to message their teacher or an assistant privately, they can click on this down arrow, and where it says my name's Cindy Druhard, it's probably going to say their teacher's name. So they can click on that to send a private message. There are 2 different views on the Chromebook. So a gallery view would be when you see the camera, the video, for all of the students in the class going across the screen. They'd be in rows. There might be a little arrow over here to scroll through because it won't fit everybody in the class. And then there's the speaker view, and this is in speaker view now, where it usually focuses on one person in the center, and then there's a few classmates across the top. If your child would like to pin their teacher so they can focus on what the teacher is saying or another student in the class, you just need to hover over that video and click on the pin in the left-hand corner. And that is going to pin that video into the center of the screen like this. So if they were in gallery view, it's going to switch it to speaker view. And then if they want to go back to gallery view, they can just unpin it. A common feature in Zoom is the use of breakout rooms. This allows teachers to put students into small groups. And so I'm going to show you what that will look like. So when the teacher launches the breakout room, they might automatically be put into the breakout room, but most of the time they're going to have to join. So they'll get a message like this on their screen, and they need to click the blue join button. And then this typically is going to be groups of 3 or 4 students. Within the breakout room, they can still chat. And this is only between others in the breakout room. If they need teacher help because they don't understand the directions, they should click on the Ask for Help. And this sends a message to the teacher to come to this breakout room. At the end of the breakout room, they're going to have a 1-minute warning. And during this time, they can either stay where they are and they'll automatically be put back into the main room, or they can click on this blue Return to Main Session. And this will bring them back to the main session with all the other classmates for a whole group. All right, well, I hope that helps. And if you have any questions or have any difficulties with Zoom, please reach out to your child's teacher. Thanks.